The microwave was invented by accident because of this, and the story is hilarious. 1945, a guy named Percy Spencer is working on military radar. He's there, super focused, when suddenly he feels something strange in his pocket. His chocolate had melted completely. So Percy, instead of being like, "Oh, what a waste," he thought, "Wait, this magnetron is emitting waves that melt food." He tested it with popcorn, then with an egg, and bam! The egg exploded in his face. Imagine the scene. The guy is working on cutting-edge military technology, and he's worried because his snack is soft. "General, I've discovered a revolutionary weapon." "What?" "I can heat up my lunch in 2 minutes." So next time you heat up your pizza, thank Percy and his melted chocolate.